everybody. Yes, it has been a while, but hey, we got the Walmart Beauty Box. Now, they have raised their prices again. It used to be $5, and then they changed it to $7, and now I think it's $9. I think it's $9. They're like, but you get more stuff and more full-size items, so we will see what it is. I have been loving the boxes that I have been getting lately. Sorry, I don't have a knife on me to like cut this label open, but they're like, it'll be better items, so we will see if it's worth $9 for this Walmart Beauty Box. Now, it used to come like in a blue box with like plastic wrap. This is the way it is with my shipping label right on top of the box. So let's just dig in and see what we got. So this is the winter box. It's winter in a couple days actually, but here we got cold weather beauty edit, and then these are the items that's supposedly inside. Ooh, they changed it. It comes with like these little doily things. We got a bunch of doily things, so that's included in the $9 price. But let's just see what we have. So I have a coconut or Palmer's coconut butter formula. This is Tahitian vanilla cream. It looks like it's just like maybe 2 samples out of here. Full size is $13.97, so you got 1 sample of this. I also got Good Molecules Hydrating Facial Cleansing Gel. The full size item of this is $11.97. I also have a sample of the Extremely Damaged Hair Intense Protein Treatment High Pro Pack, which this says it's a full-size item. Okay, so this one says it's a full-size item for $2.12 is what it says. So that's kind of cool. My hair is kind of damaged, but I don't cut my hair very often, so I have a lot of split ends. But for $2.12, okay, we got that. I am seeing more full-size items as we speak. Like, you know, we're still going strong. We have the Dove Body Scrub Himalayan Salt and Rose Oil. Is this the full-size item? It doesn't have... Okay, this is not the full-size item. This is like a different size. But the full-size item for this is $7.97. Sorry, I'm like in front of my computer right now, and the lighting outside, we're getting rain today, so it's not the greatest lighting, but I didn't want to go downstairs. But let's just see how much this one costs if it shows up. So this one doesn't show up, but it does have a barcode, so we got a good chunk, you know, for that. Yes, we do have these facial shaping razors. I've used these from time to time when I've gotten them free. This is a different brand that I'm used to. It's Plum Beauty. They say this is $4.47. So you got 3 facial razors. We also have Jergens Vanilla Crush Shea Fusion scented body lotion, and this is a perfect little size. This full size for this is $7.47. This is perfect for like your purse and stuff, so I like that. And then this is something that I've never tried before. I wish this was a different color. It's too dark for me, but it is Essence Hydra Kiss Lip Oil. The full size is $4.97. From the picture they have orange, this color, like a light pink, and then a darker pink. I don't think I could get by with this full. Maybe this is like a purple. I don't know. I don't want to put it on my lips because I got to go to school in like an hour, and I don't want to be full of purple lipstick. But yeah, so that was everything that I got in my box. Is it worth $9? I don't know. I'm gonna, you know, still go with it and still see if it's worth $9. I mean, yes, you got $4.97 here. You got $4.47 here. $2.12 here. So those are the 3 full-size items that I got. So that equals, I can't count, like, yeah. Well, that's like these. Yeah, that's like $10, $11 right there. I feel like this is a good like $2 or $3 if you bought it in the travel section. I feel like this is a pretty good thing. I mean, the bottle, the bottle that they're showing is about this size. So I feel like this is probably worth like $4 or $5. So yeah, and then we have the 2 samples right here, and then that is everything in the box. I'm okay with the box. I'm okay with the box. We will still see what we get for spring, but these are items that I can definitely use, that I'm excited to try, because this is stuff that I tried and I never knew that I liked. But yeah, so if you guys are interested, definitely check out the Walmart beauty box. Again, I think it's $9 now. It's like $9.48 or $9.97. I don't remember, but yeah. So if you guys want to try it, definitely go ahead and try it. Let me know what you like, or let me know what items you got. But I know in the past they used to have different items where everybody got different things. I don't know if this one's exclusively for this box and everybody gets the same stuff, or what. I have no idea. It looks like it's raining outside right now. But anyways, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time. See you later. Bye-bye.